Students, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great and you are fit and fine at your home. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, please study well. If you are having any problem, you can write in the comment box about your queries. I will reply shortly. So student, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss some more applications of AI. So let's start. The first one is expert system. An expert system is a computer system that emulates the decision-making ability of human expert. It is designed to solve complex problems. Actually, there are some applications which integrate machine software and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the user. Now we will discuss some advantages of expert system. Speed. They offer great speed. They reduce the amount of work an individual puts in. So due to the high speed, they are able to complete the task within less time. Less error rate. Error rate is low as compared to human error because it is based on some predefined algorithms and codes. So if the input will correct, then according to it, it will process it and gives the correct output. Reducing risk. They can work in the environment dangerous to human. Some fields are there where human life can be in danger. So we can use the expert system. Now the next one is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. NLP is the ability of computer program to understand human language as it is spoken. NLP is a component of artificial intelligence. Student, natural language processing refer to the science of drawing insights from natural human language in order to communicate with machine and grow business. It is possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by human. Like Twitter uses NLP to filter out rude language in their tweets, and Amazon uses NLP to understand customer reviews and improve user experience. Now some daily life examples, more examples are there, like Alexa, Google Assistant will be activated when it heard your speak. Okay, so it also takes the command and according to that it will work. Have you ever missed a phone call and read the automatic transcript of the voicemail in your email inbox or smartphone app? That speech to text conversion is also an NLP capability. When we navigate a website by using its built-in search bar, whenever we open any website, we see a search bar is there, or by selecting suggested topics, entity or category text. So this will also comes under NLP capability. Okay. Now student, the next one is computer vision. Computer vision is a field of computer science that works on enabling computers to see, identify, and process images in the same way that human vision does, and then provide appropriate output. It is like imparting human intelligence and instincts to a computer. Computer vision is closely linked with artificial intelligence, as the computer must interpret what it sees and then perform appropriate analysis or act accordingly. So, with the same efficiency as human can see, a computer vision can also make it possible. Computer vision's aim is to enable computers to perform the same kind of task as humans with the same efficiency. Now we are going to discuss some applications of computer vision. Like image recognition, like face recognition is used to mark attendance at some workplace. Actually, some already stored portraits are there through which the image can be matched. Okay. and it can be used as a attendance at some workplace. Then access to some banking and payment app is possible with the technique of recognizing the facial structure. Okay, student, like some apps are there in which the security can be used uh, as a security, facial structure and features can be used, and the access will be granted when it will match properly. Computer vision are used in driverless cars also. Okay, it is also very important field, like for example, use computer vision and image recognition to identify signs and other vehicles and make sure that it doesn't hit anyone. Artificial intelligence also uses computer vision to recognize handwriting, text, and drawing. Text typed down on a document can be read by the computer easily. So, one of the most prominent application field is medical. Computer vision or medical image processing, characterized by the extraction of information from image data to diagnose the patient. So in medical science also, to diagnose the patient, the use of computer vision is also in trend. So student, all the topics are clear to you now. So we have discussed today computer vision, expert system, okay, and natural language processing. So please go through it properly. For further study also, you can refer to some matter which are available on Google. You can search, go through it, and watch all the videos carefully. Till then, take care. Good.